Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to rename your file in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. If you want to change your file name or rename your file, then select your file and click the right button of your mouse. Here you can see option or rename icon. Click on it. Now rename your file. And tap outside of your file. Now if you want to rename your file from File Explorer, then go to File Explorer and tap the right button of your mouse. Select Rename option and rename your folder name. There has another option to rename your folder name. Click on the file. Here you can see this option. Simply click on it. So now you can rename your file. That's it. So this is how you can rename your folder name. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.